Stakeholder engagement is one of the key job of a program manager. Especially when we talk about stakeholders, we need to manage their expectation. But unfortunately, when we categorize our stakeholder and we say that this is my internal stakeholder or external stakeholder, we see internal and external from the perspective of organization. If someone is working in my organization, they are internal stakeholders, and those who are not working in my organization are considered as external stakeholder. But what I see is that when you do this thing, you actually miss the actual external stakeholders, and then during the program you identify them, and at that time you have to do a lot of things to handhold and deliver the program on time. So the best way is, whenever you talk about internal and external stakeholder, you need to see the stakeholders from the perspective of the program alignment. So in this perspective, if I can say internal stakeholders are those who are going to get the results from my company, but also my vendors, subcontractors, consultants who are providing their services. Traditionally, we keep them as an external stakeholder. No, we don't need to see external stakeholders from the organization perspective, but from the perspective of program. So if I am looking them from the program interaction perspective, my team, my user, end user, my management, sponsor, my vendor, consultant, they all are internal stakeholders. So the external stakeholders are those who are like government organizations, regulatory bodies, and media, competitors, citizens. So if I identify them as an external stakeholder, then I will understand how to deal them. Then I will develop a proper stakeholder engagement plan for my external stakeholders. So if you need to understand who are your key external stakeholders and how to engage them in your program and deliver the program on time with the intended benefits, then do join our program management with corporate startup workshop. Thank you.